So I've got a couple of receivers here and I want to demonstrate a problem that I have. Let's turn the power on. And you hear that? That hum is coming directly out of this receiver. In fact, this receiver isn't even connected to speakers because I'm trying to demonstrate a problem. And it does it for both of them. Let's shut this off. Now we'll turn this one on. It's going to be a little quieter, but it's still there. Let me lift this receiver up so we can hear it a little bit better. You hear it? Yeah. All right. Turn that off. If this happens to you, the first thing I would do is look to make sure that maybe you do or do not have a ground fault. So I've got a green light on my ground and this is plugged into a surge protector. Everything is good. The next thing you need to look for is electromagnetic interference. And in this case, I already know what mine is. It's this heater right here. I have never run the heater the same time as my receiver, and then I was cold one morning, turned this on, wanted to listen to some music, and I heard that noise. So let me show you. Turn it on. Hum. Just go over here and shut this off. And it's silent. So in my case, it was a quick fix. And so that's the first thing I would do. Check your ground and then check to see if you have something nearby. Maybe a heater, maybe some other equipment. So that's your quick tip today for electromagnetic interference.